Hi guys, in this video we have to learn how to control servo with ESP32. I have two servos. You can take what do you have. Let's start the video. Connect servo according to these connections. Let's go to code section. Connect your ESP32 with USB cable and go to library manager and install ESP32 to library. If you don't have ESP32 library, go to File and Preferences at the link in description and install it. Next, go to Library and search for ESP32 Servo and install it. Next, add the code in description and upload it. Guys, this is our results. You can change time limit or speed in the code. After the code uploading, your servo perfectly run. Don't forget to subscribe our channel All in One Robotics. Next we have to control the servo with Wi-Fi. Let's go to code section. Add the code in description and upload it. Don't forget to add your hotspot name and password in given space. After the code uploading, go to serial monitor and press the button on ESP32EN. After the IP address you get, based on any web browser, you can get results like this.